Well, there are tons of mistakes which early advertisers do and think that Google or any kind of other advertising platform is not made for them. And they end up losing the hope for going online or expanding their business through internet. But in this video, we are going to discuss about some of the main mistakes which you can avoid while running your Google Ads campaign. And this will help you to grow your campaigns to $1 million without making any mistakes. So hey guys, welcome back to Marketing Fundas Global. This is the 84th video in this Google Ads course, and in this video we are going to talk about Google Ads mistakes. So let's get into the video. So guys, this is going to be a theoretical video where I'm going to discuss, or I'm going to make you understand about some of the main mistakes which are pretty common and some are pretty underrated mistakes that most of advertisers do. So let's start with the first one, and that is not doing proper keyword research. Well, keyword research, as I've already told you in our previous videos as well, that keyword research is one of the important factor in search ads. Basically, I'm just talking about Google search ads right now, PPC basically, right? So Google search engine is only based on keywords, okay? And if your keyword researching is not perfect, then you will end up losing your money and nothing. You will have nothing in your hand. So keep in mind that without a proper keyword research, you can't go anywhere. So first thing first, you have to do proper keyword research, and for this we are coming with around 90-minute video course which will gonna tell you A to Z about keyword researching for your search ads or for your PPC ads. So wait for the video and let's go to the next slide, which is not analyzing competitors' ads. Well, you might have created world's best ads, but if you're not analyzing your competitors' ads, then you are making mistakes somewhere. Because your ad might have the best copywriting in it, but if your competitor is running ad before you and they have data, they are getting results, that means their copywriting, their ad copies, their ad structure is performing well. So you have to analyze competitors ad first, then create yours. The third mistake is low quality landing page or directly then the third mistake is low quality landing page or directing all traffic to home page. Well, if you are providing a service, for example, you are just providing SEO service and your website is about all digital marketing services, but right now you are just providing SEO service. So for that you have to create a separate landing page where you'll be talking about the SEO service only, right? And that particular landing page should be high quality and relevant to your audience and relevant to your ads as well. And in this way you'll be avoiding directing your traffic to your home page, because landing page is must and the quality of the landing page should be high. Now let's go to the fourth slide, and the fourth mistake is using wrong conversion action. So setting up proper conversion action is also important, because if you are not setting up properly your conversion actions, which means your campaign will not be able to track your conversions, and hence your campaign will show false data, false metrics, and on the basis of those metrics you'll be able to, you won't be able to optimize your campaigns, right? So using proper conversion action is pretty important. Then we have the fifth mistake, and that is using wrong bidding strategies with goals. Whether you are using manual or automatic bidding strategy, it is very important to use proper or perfect bidding strategy according to your business, according to your campaign. Because if you are using the wrong bidding strategy, that means you are losing your tons of money. Around 50 to 60% of your money will burn without any prior notice, which means you are losing 50 to 60% potential clients, potential customers, due to just a wrong bidding strategy. So improve your bidding strategy idea, or whenever you are choosing your bidding strategy, think about it first, then choose. Now our sixth mistake is auto applying recommendations every time. Well, if you have already run your Google ads, if you know that there is a recommendation by Google and that is AI generated recommendations, so sometimes some recommendations are good, some recommendations can be accepted, but every recommendation is not good because that is totally AI generated recommendation and you can't just auto apply all the recommendations into your campaign. So you have to think first whether it is beneficial for me or not, then apply those recommendations into your campaign, right? Don't apply all the recommendations every time. Then the seventh mistake is using broad match keywords. Broad match keywords, if you are using, then you are totally noob. You have to narrow down your keyword match type, because if you don't want to lose money, if you want to scale your campaign to $1 million campaign, then you have to go with exact match or freeze match. Broad match is not the proper option, but it works sometimes. It depends on the condition of your campaign, it depends on the nature, it depends on the niche which you are working on. Then you can go with broad match. Otherwise, every time using broad match keyword match type is not a good idea. Then eighth mistake is neglecting negative keywords. As I've already told you in the previous videos as well, that negative keywords are very important, because if you are not using negative keywords, then you are not optimizing your campaign properly. The main campaign optimization process starts with adding negative keyword into your campaign. So you have to add negative keywords in your into your campaign, whether it is coming from your keyword researching or whether it is coming from the search terms. But negative keywords should be added into your campaign if you want to run your campaign for a long time, right? Otherwise, your money will be burned on a regular basis and you will be not able to do anything. Now, the ninth mistake is not doing A/B testing for your ads. Yes, A/B testing is also important. You can create multiple ad copies. You can create multiple ad copies with ad with extensions, with some without extensions. You have to test that which one or which thing is working for you or which thing is working for you not. So this is what A/B testing is. You have to test the things by doing wear and tear, right? Then the 10th mistake is underfunding your campaign. If you are performing good, your campaign is performing good, but you are not funding your campaign, that is also count be as a mistake. That because the potential your campaign holds or the growth you can get is just stopped because of your underfunding, because you are not funding your campaign. So if you are seeing a potential in your campaign, if you're seeing the campaign can shoot up, campaign can perform good or better, so you should fund your campaign. So think about it again. Then the 11th mistake is wrong targeting, location wise, demographically wise, or audience wise. Wrong targeting is very silly thing. If you are a pro or if you're a beginner, that happens, wrong targeting happens, but you have to improve it day by day, that you are not doing any location mistake, demographically mistake, or audience wise mistake. So keep in mind that whenever you are creating a campaign, you are doing your targeting thing very properly. Then the 12th mistake is not using ad scheduling option. So for example, your ads gets the best retention or gets the best CTR on only Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So why you are running those ads on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, right? So you should use ad scheduling option to just run your ads automatically on Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, only on 4th day, so that you can optimize your budget as well. You will be able to get the same results in a minimum budget, right? Because you are not getting results on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, right? So using ad scheduling option is also a good choice, or you can say good option. Then the 13th mistake is mixing keywords in a same ad. Obviously, for example, you are offering four services: SEO service, social media marketing service, then PPC ads, and the whole digital marketing service. You got four services, but you are running only one ad group, and in that ad group you have added all the keywords which is related to SEO service, social media marketing service, PPC service. That will make a mess. You can't just do that. If you are doing this, your money and your time will be total waste. So separate all the things, separate, create different ad groups for different kind of services, so that your ads can perform better and your ads can convert better. Then the 14th mistake is not using right extension or neglecting them. Obviously, if you are not using extensions with your search ads, then definitely you are missing out some of the most potential clients, because extensions helps you attract more audience, and if you are not using those extensions, definitely you are losing tons of audience, tons of potential audience, I can say. So do use extensions with your search ads, right? Then 15th, last but not the least mistake is not optimizing campaigns time to time. Yes, you have to optimize your campaign on a timely basis. Maybe it is in every 2 days or maybe on a regular basis, but you have to optimize it. By optimizing, you can control your budgets, you can control your targeting, you can control your strategy, and that's how you can bring your campaign to $1 million, right? Otherwise, if you're not optimizing your campaign, you have just created your campaign and left it for month or 2 months, then you will just losing your money, nothing else. So this was all about the mistakes which are pretty common ones and which are pretty uncommon ones as well. So you have to think that which type of mistake you are doing with your ppc ad campaign or Google search ads. Otherwise, if you are not doing any of these mistakes, or if you haven't started yet, so keep these mistakes in mind before running your ppc campaign, right? In the upcoming videos, maybe in the next or next to next video, we'll be showing how to create a search ad. Proper video will be on search ad ppc campaign. So wait for the video, and I hope this video helps you, and I hope you got the video, all the points you understood. And if you still have any question or query, please comment down below. I'll answer those questions in the comment section itself. If you like the video, please hit that subscribe and like button. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.